Listen, I know you all are tired of me talking about Vietnam, but baby, Vietnamese coffee is amazing. If you've ever tasted Vietnamese coffee, leave me a comment what's your favorite. There's a variety. This is how to make Vietnamese coffee class I took in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. If you ever travel to Vietnam, you must take a coffee making class. The history of Vietnamese coffee is very rich, surprising. You'll learn a lot of things. I even wrote a blog post. Check that out for more on the history of Vietnam's coffee. The link to the coffee making class and my blog article on Vietnamese coffee is in the description box below. Leave me a comment if you have tasted Vietnamese coffee and what are your thoughts. Good morning. It's a gorgeous day in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City for a coffee making class. Woo, baby, and this coffee is strong. Stronger than liquor. And I have my banh mi to soak it all up. We got the coffee. It's gonna be a great day. Gonna be a great class. Peace.
Just for this experience.
Oh, is
other
it?
thing.
Oh.
So, something like just for coffee tasting,
Just for coffee.
everything like that. I can just keep it going.
Okay, so this is
The traditional Vietnamese thin coffee with coconut milk.
okay. Let's see what this tastes like.
Okay.
Ooh, this is strong.
Yeah.
I taste the coconut, but it's strong.
Yeah.
This is stronger than liquor.
You see Vietnamese coffee.
Mm-hmm.
We love it because of that, right?
Yes. It's strong.
Arabica much smaller, like a bush. Less caffeine inside, more sensitive. Easily affected by the outside factors. By higher altitude, more than 1,000 meters. Ethiopia, Kenya, 1,800 meters above sea level. Colombia, important point of time for coffee industry. 75 and 86. Always consume a lot but cannot produce coffee. Something that easy to sell, easy to export and earn money to build up the country. 5 years after the reopen, we enter the list at the bottom. 300 years of history like in Brazil, but everything really pushed for Vietnamese coffee. Okay.
Vietnamese coffee, yes.
Please have a smell.
Ooh, we get to smell.
Okay.
Let's see this. Look.
This one is a little
This
bit
is subtle a little bit.
Yeah.
This is a little different.
the same. They're the same.
This one's stronger.
Yeah.
These are the same.
The same.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
for the second. All about something that heavier, something that
Right.
bolder, richer.
Right.
Yeah. Less aromatic, but something like very heavy.
Yes.
Yeah. Much more expensive.
Arabica.
Yeah.
Much
For
more
example,
expensive.
this 1 kg I bought for around 400,000 dong, but not that great quality, average. This one quite a very good Robusta coffee already, 280. So it's like two-thirds the price only. Usually Robusta considered the lower quality. I have to say, yeah. A good barista can change exactly the same coffee bean into more flavors. So it's more flexible and more expensive. But for Robusta, you will see it most of the time roasted darker, less flexible. So lower
Oh, the
quality.
Robusta. So this you can change. The Arabica you can
Yeah.
change.
You can roast light for a pour over like nowadays, a medium or darker roast for espresso, BLT, mocha pot, every way it works. Play the same set of dripper and the same coffee beans. That's important fact.
Okay.
Yeah. Why? You adjust the flavors with it. Sometimes you see this. All that.
Put the coffee in here.
And
15 grams.
when you hold them together like this, you shake a little. It's gonna get flat and even, but clean. When it's reached 450, then it's
Making
good.
the bad coffee.
Oh my god.
This is
45,
Yeah.
45.
45, 45.
4, 5.
Okay,
we
it's
are
zero.
making good coffee. Yes.
Oh yeah, you can also press T and it's
T.
zero.
T.
Okay.
Yeah, it goes up really fast.
Yeah.
Oh, really? So go slow.
Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Wow, it's actually what I was like. Yes, this
Okay.
way.
Strong.
Yeah.
It's
Press,
hard.
press.
It's gonna be strong.
Press.
Press.
Breath.
Press. Not
Not
tap.
coming out.
I'm pressing light.
Oh, pressing right.
You want a smooth and light coffee?
Okay, yeah, that's
Okay. You don't need more space. But the bad one, because it's packed tight. Water put in, they need the space. They try to escape. They try to push back. So of course, it changed.
That coffee smells flat.
That's a difference.
No,
That's a
this is my
difference.
favorite.
Unfortunately,
That's a
that
difference, really, right?
something.
This was a bit
richer.
airy.
Yes, and this.
Something.
So we gotta taste the bad
Taste the
one,
bad one.
and then okay. The bad is bad.
Yeah.
Oh,
So usually people
bad
just
is
cover
bad.
with a lot of condensed milk.
it's very nasty. This
Sour.
one.
Yeah.
The flavor of the outside, no extraction.
This is slightly sweeter. Like,
Yeah. The
With
good
the
is kind
oil.
of sweeter.
You feel a little expanded side, but still like 20. Well rated. So coffee beans are actually the two seeds inside of the
Oh,
fruit.
inside of it.
Yeah, we should call it coffee Vietnamese coffee for many years. For example, all the coffee that we export, 16% go to Germany, the biggest.
This smells delightful.
So
Oh,
it's
smells
the most
chocolatey.
traditional roasting style of Vietnamese coffee.
Ooh, this is from the south, Saigon.
Now,
How are we gonna make this?
Is that
Starts in
chocolate?
the south.
is there chocolate in this?
Yes.
Oh.
Let's talk about reputation, company. You see, this Trung Nguyên.
Condensed
Traditional
milk.
milk with condensed milk with coffee.
Using the fin.
Not the yes the
Oh, it's not pure, so
Yeah,
it's dripping
if
faster.
pure coffee, they will absorb similar amount of water easily. But because there's some oil, a little like flavor, so the coffee slip through easier. But a few drops, not all of that.
Okay.
And please mix
Is there water in the condensed creamer?
a little, yeah, a
Or
little,
sugar? Oh, okay.
yeah, to make it like a liquid,
Oh, okay.
but not that
still white at the bottom.
because it's very
Mix it
sticky.
now.
So maybe
The condensed milk with the coffee.
Spilled out.
For this.
yes, into the into there. Okay. Then please.
And make it chill. Mix that up, baby. I do not drink iced coffee, so this is a first for me. Listen.
They said, oh, very yummy, and finish in 2 minutes.
Oh, it is good, but it's strong. It's still strong
After
in
that,
it.
a little shaking, a little like rotating
You
fast.
can only do a little of this.
Because, you know,
Oh, less condensed.
for me it's crazy sweetness. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. But yeah,
It's pretty sweet, yeah.
try.
So you take the straw out,
Yeah,
and you're gonna get a different taste. Let's see.
it's not that contrast anymore. It's not that intensity.
Oh, it's not.
It's separated, sweet and bitter.
It's better with the straw.
Right. It tastes better out though. I don't.
Yeah. At that time, he used egg and honey because no condensed milk. Nowadays, many give you adjust.
Okay.
For me, usually I use 1 teaspoon, but again, you want like sweeter or
No.
sugar? Just like a small pinch. Okay. Now, why no egg white use? You see the idea? We try to make a cappuccino, and that texture is soft, smooth, very.
So I'm separating the yolk.
Okay. One more, please. So
Oh,
you-
I put there. And then I'm gonna do like you did. And
yeah.
that's good. That looks
awesome.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh,
Okay.
thank you. We heat up the kitchen.
Okay. 20 seconds more and then. Okay. But you see the texture?
Yeah.
Now you let slowly this off and remove it. Okay. Remove it. Yeah.
Just pour it.
Yeah. Very
Sorry.
creamy,
Yeah.
very smooth
so
texture.
creamy.
Oh, you don't need that.
I will.
Yeah, to adjust that. Okay, I think that's nice.
It looks good.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
And now the
Ooh, I
final
got a
touch
lot.
is the chocolate powder. Okay,
Okay.
you sprinkle the chocolate on top.
Just a little bit.
Thank you. You're welcome. All right.
Okay, good.
Chocolate.
Nice.
Chocolate powder.
It's like pudding.
Look at it here.
There we go. Make it pretty.
But yes,
Yeah.
now please take the spoon.
Taste it.
Yeah, and actually
The
the
sweetness.
way you mix also change the taste. Yeah, and it's not raw egg.
Oh, not now.
Yeah, not raw egg, so it's safe when you consume it. Please mix that with the coffee.
Oh, mix it with the coffee now.
Yeah, you will see the color and the texture of the cappuccino.
Oh yes, mix it all
Cappuccino
together.
now. I think it's good.
Oh, so it's a cappuccino.
Please take a sip. The cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
The cappuccino replacement with no milk.
Oh.
You still can make something creamy coffee without any milk use. And creamy. And you put the teaspoon here. Some say it's like 45. Okay, it's not healthy.
Oh.
So usually I use 0.1 up to 0.15. But because it's like not as thick, so we can use a hand mixer. Again, this is
Yeah.
clockwise. So with this one, you have to move counterclockwise.
Okay.
Yes.
We put you to work.
Yeah. Come back there.
And then with the, you don't even hear the sound. Condensed milk.
Oh.
Because it's a little sweet.
Mm.
Please just put it into trickle, like a layer. And you see the thickness.
Yes.
It's very cloudy.
When do we stop pouring?
A little more. A little more.
And this is the salted.
Yeah. Okay. It's also get lighter, brighter color.
Yeah, it's like more white.
So we taste the layer on top first. Let's see.
You see, after adding the salt
That is delicious.
and the texture, it's some.
Now we mix it. This is delicious.
Yeah.
This is my first time drinking salted coffee.
I think I prefer more salt. You should try the salted coffee in the workshop.
The workshop.
Yeah,
okay.
it's like on the same street.
Oh, here.
Yeah, the workshop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Thank you. Let's see.
So it's similar, yeah, the texture. And again, it's all about your taste. Each of the Vietnamese coffee itself already an adaptation.
Cascara. It is cascara.
Cascara. C-A-S-C-A-R-A. Of the fresh red coffee fruit to make into the tea.
Oh.
Cascara in Spanish, the skin. Have a smell. It's still caffeine though, but very smooth.
From the skin.
Yeah. Only 20% caffeine in the skin, 80% caffeine in the coffee beans.
Wasn't that a fun class? You gotta sign up. What's your favorite coffee? Mine? Oh, is it salted coffee? Is it coconut coffee? Is it egg coffee? I'm tired with the salted coffee. I love that now. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hit that bell for notification of new videos. Until next time, y'all, peace.